Hi, welcome to Bradfords TV. My name is Scott. Today we'll be looking at the CAT4 Scanner, which is part of Bradfords gardening and landscaping range. If you've had an area that's had lots of work, there's a good chance that there's going to be extra utilities put in the ground. The benefits of hiring CAT Scanner is that if you're digging or excavating in the area, you want to check for any utilities or pipework or drainage. Using the CAT scan is something that's going to prevent you from striking those utilities. There's 4 modes on the CAT. You've got radio mode, avoidance mode, power mode and Genny mode. You can find the modes on the side of the CAT4 scanner. You can find the operating instructions, how each of these work. On the top here you have a lever that switches between each mode, and you also have a sensitivity level. So when you hire the CAT scan from Bradfords Tool Plant Hire, what you get in the kit is as follows. You get the CAT4 scanner, you get the Genny, you get your cables and you get your earth stake. On all of our equipment we have our service card which come with a certificate of calibration. It's worth remembering the benefits from hiring from Bradfords Tool and Plant Hire. We have kit that's no more than 5 years old, and all our staff are experienced and friendly and always happy to help and give you advice. You can get one of these from any of our tool and plant hire branches which are located across the southwest. Thanks for watching.